All right, in this video, we're going to take a look at a definition for vertical angles, explain what they are, and then work out one example. So our vertical angles are two angles whose sides form two pairs of opposite rays. So what I've done here is drawn a picture, all right, which is typically what you see for vertical angles. All right, you've got two lines here, two pairs of opposite rays, and it creates four angles. All right, in a picture such as this, angles 3 and 6 are going to be considered vertical angles. All right, also angles 4 and 5 are considered vertical angles. All right, they are across from each other. Since they are formed with the same pairs of opposite rays, they are going to be congruent or equal to each other. That's the fact you're going to use to help you solve and find missing angles. All right, so in an example like this, it says find all angles. All right, so we've got a picture, obviously not drawn to scale here. They've given you angle measures in terms of algebraic expressions. All right, as we can see, these are two vertical angles, so they're across from each other, so they're congruent. If I know they're equal to each other, then I can set an equation up and solve for x. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do 2x plus 1 is equal to 3x minus 2. All right, I'm going to solve this for x. So we'll subtract 2x from both sides of the equation. All right, that'll give me a 1 equal to an x minus 2. We'll go ahead and add 2 to both sides. So we'll add 2 here, we'll add 2 here. All right, that's going to give me x equals 3. All right, now that's not an answer to the question, that's just what our value of x is. So what I need to do then is I need to take this x equals 3 and plug it back into this. All right, so if I plug it back in here, 3 times 3 is 9, minus 2 is going to give, all right, 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 more is 7. So yes, this is 7 degrees. All right, now from there, there's a variety of different ways that we could do it. All right, we can consider the fact that we have some linear pairs in this. All right, if I cover up part of this picture, I see a line right there. I see a straight line. That's a linear pair right there. I know that half of a circle, all right, or a linear pair, two angles add up to 180 degrees. So then I can just simply take 180 and subtract 7. All right, so let's do that. 180 minus 7. All right, that'll be 173 degrees. So then this angle up here would be 173 degrees. Now, I know they're vertical, so I know this is 173 as well, but I could go all the way around this diagram. There I see my linear pair, and these two numbers add up to 180. All right, and again, if I move it and look here, I see another linear pair. This would have to be 173 degrees added to the 7. All right, all the way around you see that linear pair, and these angles add up to 180 degrees. All right, so just one quick example there of how you can use vertical angles to find some missing angles in a diagram. Definitely thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, please share with your friends so they can benefit too. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.